Have you ever wondered what makes Siri answer your questions or how Google Maps predicts traffic? Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence. This incredible field is a branch of computer science dedicated to creating machines that mimic human intelligence. It's like building a mechanical brain, capable of learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. But it's not some far-fetched science fiction concept. It's here, and it's now. Artificial intelligence is everywhere around us. It's in your smartphone, sorting out which of your photos have cats in them. It's in your car, helping to parallel park. It's even in your email, filtering out spam messages. It's silently working in the background, making our lives easier, more efficient, and more connected. So, if artificial intelligence is about creating machines that mimic human intelligence, just how does it do that? To understand how AI works, we first need to understand machine learning. Machine learning, often abbreviated as ML, is a subset of artificial intelligence that is all about algorithms. These algorithms are like little detectives, sifting through mountains of data to find patterns and learn from them. It's through this learning process that they can make predictions or determinations about something. Let's simplify this concept. Imagine you're teaching a child to identify a dog. You'd show them many pictures of dogs until they can recognize a dog on their own. This is similar to how machine learning works. We feed the algorithm lots of data, and it learns to understand and even predict the patterns within that data. And where might you encounter machine learning in your daily life, you ask? Well, it's more prevalent than you think. When Netflix suggests a new show based on your viewing history, or when Amazon recommends a product you might like, that's machine learning at work. These platforms use algorithms to analyze your behavior and preferences, and then make educated suggestions tailored just for you. In essence, machine learning is the fuel that powers AI's engine. It's the brain behind the operation, digesting data, learning from it, and using that knowledge to make decisions or predictions. But how does this brain learn? That's a question we'll dive into next. The secret sauce of machine learning, and thus AI, is all in the training and algorithms. Now let's talk about the training bit first. Imagine you're a child learning to recognize animals. You're shown pictures of cats and dogs, and with each image, your parents tell you which one is a cat and which is a dog. Over time, you begin to recognize the patterns. Dogs have long snouts, cats have whiskers, and so on. That's exactly how machine learning works. We feed machines or algorithms lots and lots of data, and we tell them what this data represents. This is what we call training. But how do these machines learn from this data? That's where the algorithms come in. Algorithms are essentially a set of rules or instructions that the machine follows to learn from the data. These algorithms can identify patterns in the data and use these patterns to make decisions. This process is similar to how a human brain works. When we receive new information, our brain identifies patterns and uses these patterns to make decisions. For example, let's say we're training a machine to recognize pictures of apples. We would feed it thousands of images of apples, each slightly different. Some are red, some are green, some are large, some are small. The machine, using its algorithm, identifies patterns in the data, the shape, the color, the texture, and uses these patterns to recognize an apple. These algorithms can even learn from their mistakes. If the algorithm incorrectly identifies an orange as an apple, we provide it with feedback, telling it that it's wrong. The algorithm then adjusts its parameters, learning from its mistake, and gets better at distinguishing between apples and oranges. This capability to learn from mistakes, to constantly improve and evolve, is what makes AI so powerful. It's not just about feeding data and setting rules. It's about the ability of these algorithms to learn, adapt, and improve. So by training on data and using algorithms to identify patterns, AI can make decisions, predict outcomes, and even learn from its mistakes. That's the magic of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is not just a future concept, it's here and now, transforming our lives in unimaginable ways. It's revolutionizing industries, from healthcare, improving diagnostics and patient care, to transportation, driving the development of autonomous vehicles. But the story of AI doesn't end here. It's continuously evolving, promising to play an even more significant role in our future, making our lives easier and more connected. So, next time when you ask Siri a question or Netflix recommends a movie, remember, it's all thanks to the incredible world of artificial intelligence.